if anyone is thinking about buying a Porsche Boxster or travelling in a Porsche Boxster, this video is for you. Me and my partner Angharad are off on a long weekend to West Wales, and we've got quite a bit of baggage, but we won't talk about how much stuff we've got. But let's see if we can get all of those bags in this Porsche to take it away for a long weekend. Wish me luck. Okay, so we've got my little rucksack, one of Angharad's cases and her dry robe, my bag with my clothes, a couple of pairs of trainers, some games that we're taking, and my dry robe in case we go in the sea, and another one of Angharad's bags and jumper and my waterproof jacket. So all of this stuff, oh, plus the handbag over there. And we have the front boot, and we have, of course, the rear boot. I think we're going to be absolutely fine. There's obviously quite a bit of luggage. Let's see how we get on. I think we're going to pack quite strategically here. So I'm going to put Angharad's case in, who's behind the camera right now, in first, because it's quite hard, so I can chuck stuff on top of this, because nothing in here is going to break, is it?
I don't think so. No. It should be protected anyway.
Oh, look at that as well, perfect size. I could even stuff this down here. Even better. Then I'm thinking, nope, that bag won't go.
Remember, nothing's allowed by my feet. No, not happening. I want a nice comfy drive.
That'll shut.
That's a bit snug, isn't it?
I think it'll shut though.
You can put the dry robe around that, surely.
Yeah.
Spread it out.
Just making sure I don't need anything from it.
What, your bag?
Yeah. First test. Oh.
Perfect.
Okay, so now we're just going to get that in the back, which I think is easy. You thought we were going to struggle with this.
I've got more in the car, mind. No, I haven't. Best hope I don't go shopping.
This isn't a shopping weekend, right? I don't know how many times I've got to tell you. How are you doing? I think we're going to be absolutely fine. Look at this. Loads of space there. The games can go in there. And then my rucksack with my laptop and camera equipment and my trainers. I told you we'd do it. And to be honest, we've got space for one more.
Should I go back and get some more then?
No. You've got plenty of stuff for the weekend. Done. We're ready to rock and roll. And the sun's shining, we can have the roof down on the way down. So guys, roof down now. Yeah. Roof is down.
You're
today.
both bloody
Sun is
mad.
shining. And that is how much you can fit in a Porsche Boxster, if you were wondering. So if you're going on long weekends and you've got a missus who has a lot of luggage, the Porsche Boxster is absolutely fine. Let's go for a spin. West Wales, here we come. Heated seats on.
Definitely.
And cue sunshine. Here we go. Bye bye. Bye bye. We'll see you Monday.
Have a nice time.
6.5 degrees. Oh,
Is it?
didn't want to stop. Never mind. Yeah, 6.5 degrees. But there she is in all her beauty. Look at
Oh, thanks, darling. Oh. I knew you were talking about the car. I'm used to it.
that. Hang on, I haven't opened it yet. Don't do that.
Let me in, you little.
Right. Get my holder out.
No, that's mine.
No, that's yours.
Oh, right.
Isn't it?
I think you took mine then. Welcome to my Christmas.
Right.
Oh.
That's fine. Time to get some petrol and see what it's really like, if I can reach, what it's really like on the motorway. Heated seats, 6.5 degrees, I think we've got this. Porsche 911 GT3, but no GTS. But he bought the wrong Porsche, didn't he, guys? It's the Boxster you really want to be in.